not supposed to be having no titties, man. Especially as not no man. You can pick her up and dog her in the air. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nas, man. Today I'm coming back at y'all with another video, man. Y'all gonna like this one. It's gonna be simple. It might be a short video too. I ain't gonna lie. But today I'm talking about body game. I'm talking about body game, man. Hey, if you want a female, or you want multiple females, however you live, you gotta get your body right. You gotta be physically fit, bro. Think about it. When you in the bed, bro, when you in the bed and you on top of her, you making love, you going crazy, who's supposed to have the titties? She's supposed to have the titties. You're not supposed to be having no titties, man. Especially as not no man. You're not supposed to be having no titties, my dog. Why the fuck would you want titties as a man? Don't you want to look good? Don't you want her to feel on that fucking magnificent ass fucking back? That strong ass back, boy. You're not supposed to be having no titties, bro. You should be showing her who you is and what you do and what you about. Simple as that. Simple as that. You're not supposed to be carrying no extra meat, dog. You know, and if you are, man, you gotta get in the gym. You got to. You got to. Because you know why? Look. There's some big dudes out there that got money, bro. And, you know, they can provide for a girl. They can manage a girl. They can have a high maintenance girl, which is cool, right? That's cool. But once a dude that's physically fit, listen, physically fit, right? You know, I'm not saying you gotta look, you know what I'm saying, like a motherfucking bodybuilder. So, you know, and that's not what I'm saying, but you physically fit and you got bread and you ambitious and you doing what you're supposed to be doing. Who you think she gonna go to? Exactly. Y'all just answer my question, bro. You got to be physically fit, man. You got to. It's a necessity. It's necessary. You want to be walking around, walking up steps, walking down steps, getting your groove on, and you can't breathe. You can't keep up. What fun is that, bro? You want to keep up or be ahead in the game. If you want people to look at you different, if you want females to look at you different, if you want a different type of respect, a different type of approach when people approach you, bro, you got to go get in the gym. You got to change how you look physically. Now, you can't change your face. You obviously can't do that. I mean, but you can slim down in the face a little bit, change your haircut up a little bit, grow your beard out a little bit, just try new things. And I really tell my friends, I tell a lot of my boys that, like, bro, you got to try new things. You got to try different things. You just can't have to be rocking the same haircut you was rocking since what, middle school and high school, bro. It's just not gonna work. Nah, bro, you need to level up, change things, get bigger, slim down, whatever the case may be. Buy new clothes. Now, don't go overboard, but every now and then, once a month, buy you some new clothes. Even go get you some new cologne. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really got to take care of yourself. Like, you real life have to take care of yourself. If you're not taking care of yourself, no one gonna want you, dog. Think about it. When girls go in the gym, they getting bigger, they getting thicker. Okay, so why not you getting in the gym? You should be getting in the gym. You know, no one. There is some girls, some women out there that do like the big folks, but for the most part, nah, bro. You supposed to be on your stuff just like a girl gonna be on. And same thing go for the ladies too. For the ladies, for any ladies watching this, if y'all want a good looking man, y'all gotta be in the gym too. Y'all gotta be good looking. Y'all just think since y'all got makeup and look pretty and stuff like that, y'all can have any. Nah, bro. Get in the gym. Simple as that. Get in the gym. Get yourself right. It's not flexing, but you know, I'm not the biggest, but I'm there. You know what I'm saying? I'm confident in my skin. That's another thing. Being in the gym, getting your body right, brings you another sense of confidence. Another sense of confidence you didn't think you ever would achieve, bro. Ever. That you got people coming at you asking you, yo, like, what you been doing? I've been locked in. I've been working on myself. I've been throwing myself in the fire. How about you? For the dudes out there that don't got themselves right, bro, it's gonna come a day, or a dude gonna come into your girl life, girlfriend life, whoever you mess with life, they gonna have the stuff together. They gonna look good. They gonna have the bread. They gonna be having a job. The mindset's gonna be different. They go-getters. They go-getters. And the go-getters gonna go get her, bruh. They gonna get her. Then if you depressed, bro, if you depressed because of how you look and you just sitting down, playing the game, going to work, playing the game, not taking the initiative to get yourself right, bro, you the only one to blame. If you not getting no females, you the only one to blame, bro. Females not looking at your way, you're the only one to blame. You have some type of fixing to do. You have some type of fix, bro. Everyone has standards. Y'all gotta understand that everybody got standards, man. Then it's like for the fellas that are in a relationship, bro, to keep your girl, you know what I'm saying, to keep her attracted to you, it's like you have to you have to be in the gym. You cannot be spending all your time with her, bro. Take 2-3 days out the week, just go to the gym for 2 hours, bro. 2 hours of your day. 2 hours. Then after that, low key, I really suggest and I would recommend get her in the gym also, bro. Y'all helping each other out. In a couple months, man, you gonna be walking past and you be like, God damn, like, bro, get her in the gym. Get your female in the gym, for real, man. I'm serious, man. I'm speaking on my behalf, man. Get her in the gym, bro. She gonna fall in love with it too. I ain't gonna lie. She is gonna fall in love with it. It's a really healthy thing to do. And y'all gotta understand, when it comes to a certain look, appearance, body game, women want a certain type of man, category, tier. So to help yourself, it's best to, you know, put yourself in a position to where they're already looking at you. You in the gym, you doing what you gotta do, man. So you can get them eyes so you can get the eyes, man. Let me put it like that. So you can get eyes. Now, just because you get eyes don't mean you always have to go approach, you know what I'm saying? Not everything is good for you in a sense, if you know what I'm saying. You gotta have standards yourself, just like they got standards, right? And nigga, when you got that shirt on, t-shirt, gym shirt, polo if you at work, whatever you, bro, you know, muscles, just, and the shirt just squeezing, bro. You don't know how, bro, that right there gives me confidence, bro. You know, the sleeves not just hanging, you know, it's not, nah, bro. My shirt is hugging my muscle. It's not too tight now. That's not what I'm saying. But, you know, I look a little bulky, man. And I get compliments all the time for both male and female, man. For the male, they ask me what I do. They want my programs and stuff like that. From the females, too, you know. I mean, it's cool, man. But that I like that, man. That doesn't mean just because I'm getting compliments from every woman I'm trying to flirt her. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. But, you know, it lets me know that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. You know what I'm saying? I would recommend a lot of you guys, man, start your physique journey, start your gym journey. I'm not saying you got to be a gym head. I'm not saying you have to be in there 7 days a week. That's not what I'm saying. I am saying take 3 days out of them week, 2 hours, go to the gym, man. You know, if you're not doing shit, you know, and you just playing a game after work, or you don't go to work and you just playing the game, you're in my eyes, you're a lame. Because you just settling for less, bro. You shouldn't settle for nothing in this life. Time doesn't wait on no man. It don't wait on no person, man. So it's best that you know, for the young guys, start young, hang with the right people, do your own research, be very knowledgeable. If you know, I would recommend that. There's nothing wrong with being what some may say a nerd. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. That's one thing, man, that's gonna turn a bitch on is when you can pick her up and dog her in the air. They love that, bro. You dogging, you pick them up and then you just dogging. Just going crazy. Your muscles flexing. You're not getting tired. Because, bro, you've been in the gym. Simple as that. You've been in the gym, man. But, hey, I hope y'all really like this video. It's kind of a short video. But I hope y'all got the message at least. I hope y'all really got the message. I have a real nice night, nice day, nice morning, wherever time you watching this, man. Y'all have a nice day, and Nas is out.